Hi, I'm Tony, and today I'm going to walk you through the setup and configuration of the Knick Portavo 907 multi-portable meter. Once you've installed the batteries, let's go ahead and power on the device by pressing the on-off button. You will notice that the default language is in German. To change this, press the menu soft key and toggle to the far right to configuration. Pressing enter twice will enter the screen for the different language options. We will select and confirm English by pressing enter. Next, let's configure the auto-off function. This prevents depletion of the battery in case the device is left unattended. We'll toggle down to auto-off, press enter, and then select 10 minutes. Another option to change is the unit of measurement for temperature. By toggling down the temperature and pressing enter, we can select between Celsius and Fahrenheit. Next, you can choose the function of the right soft key on the main display screen. You have two choices here. You can start and stop the data logger or hold the measured value. The next feature is for the display type of the measurement which you are making. In this instance, we have pH. Here, you can select the number of digits after the decimal point of the measured value. Next is setup of the calibration menu. The options here are dependent upon the type of sensor which you have connected. For a pH sensor, we can select the type of calibration, whether it is automatic or manual. We can also select the number of points for our calibration, as well as turning on or off MemoLog. MemoLog allows you to collect the last 100 calibrations in your Portavo, which can then be exported into our software through the USB cable. You can find out more about this in our calibration video on the Portavo 907 Multi. Next is the date and time. It is very important to configure the date and time, as this directly affects the diagnostics capabilities with MemoSense sensors. Then we have the display. Here we can adjust the brightness and the appearance of your Portavo screen. The data logger settings can be viewed in the configuration menu. And lastly, we can restore our Portavo to its original factory settings in the Option tab. Now, let's press the measure button once to return to our main screen. You're now ready to calibrate your sensor. Thank you for watching, and please be sure to check out our next video to see just how quick it is to calibrate using the Portavo 907 Multi.